Welcome to Healthy Conversation. Science quiz, objective questions and answers for class 2 and 3. Question: which is a small plant with soft green stem? A herb, B trees, C herbs, D climbers. Correct answer is A herb. Question: we eat the seeds of plants such as cardamom, chilies, and cumin seed are called A pulses, B spices, C fruits, D flowers. Correct answer is B spices. Question: tomato is A trees, B herbs, C shrubs. Correct answer is B herbs. Question: baby of duck is called A chicks, B duckling, C hen. Correct answer is B duckling. Question: which part of plant helps the tree to stand upright? A trunk, B tree, C branches, D seed. Correct answer is A trunk. Question: which plant have weak stems? A tree, B shrubs, C herbs, D climbers. Correct answer is D climbers. Question: which part of plant fixes the plant in the soil? A leaf, B fruit, C root, D stem. Correct answer is C root. Question: different plants have different lifespans. A true, B false. Correct answer is A true. Question: roots supply water and dash to the rest of the plant. A seed, B minerals, C soil. Correct answer is B minerals. Question: most plants are dash. A yellow, B brown, C green. Correct answer is C green. Question: hibiscus plant is A creeper, B tree, C shrubs, D herbs. Correct answer is C shrubs. Match the following: A spinach tree, B pea climber, C rice shrubs, D hibiscus herb, E neem herb. Correct answer is A. Spinach is a herb. P is a climber. Rice is a herb. Hibiscus is a shrub. And neem is a tree. Subscribe, like, share and comment to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Hip hip hooray!